My name is Sharon Peterson. I'm from Virginia in the United States. I'm here for the summer with my daughter, Ida, who is 12 years old. She's very eager to learn Korean.
Hi. 제 이름은 아이다입니다. My name is Ida.
오, 몇 살이에요?
12살입니다.
오.
I did an internet search. I went on Google and I was just reading through different programs, and LTL is special because not a lot of programs are geared toward elementary school or younger children. Everything is usually 18 and over. So I was excited to find something. Ida's 12 in middle school, obviously, and that's kind of a tough time because you're not old enough and you're not too young. But Ida seems to have found a comfortable spot at LTL. Yeah. And I liked how that LTL had students from all over, and that was a big plus because there was a chance, even if not the exact same age, that Ida has a chance to just interact with other children while learning Korean. Like I said, Ida is so enthusiastic about being in Korea. Everything except for trying different foods. But she has a schedule for me. She's very curious about learning everything about Korean culture and Korean, seeing the city. So yes, we've gone to so many museums, and it's been great because LTL has that afternoon cultural trip. So she was happy to be introduced to a lot of different museums and places through that. Places that she felt like she wanted to spend longer at, she's given me that list and said, okay, I went to this place with LTL, but because it started raining, we had to cut it short. So now she wants to go back with me. We went to Hi Korea Hiker, so we did that. She really enjoyed the Seoul Museum of Contemporary History. That really helped her kind of place events and our relatives. Like, she just kind of has a young heart and an old mind. So when we were going through the Museum of Contemporary History, she was looking at the events of the Korean War and how just Korea just blew up, how it's like a cultural center. And she was placing my father in the timeline. She said, oh, Harabaji was born 1938, so he would have been this old during this event. It was really cool for her to real people with real history, and just everything makes sense. It's not like, oh, you're looking at a museum behind a glass case and it doesn't mean anything. Ida usually does not like school or studying, but she didn't complain, not even one bit, about getting up to learn Korean. And you know, that was the objective, to find a program that would teach her Korean, but because she's young, she can't sit in a place for like 4 hours with a teacher talking at her. And I'm so glad that this wasn't that kind of program. You know, they gave the kids breaks and snacks, and they let the kids be kids, but also they let them progress and go at their own pace. And so actually Ida got moved up. They tried to get her in the right place. I think she moved around twice, but that was actually a good thing because it's trying to meet her at her skill level. I love the teachers. Like, not only were they knowledgeable, but they were also good at teaching and handling the children who are younger. And then some of the teachers were homestay families, so that gave you an extra peace of mind. Yeah, I love this place. I'll miss it. Myself signed up for twice a week, one-on-one tutoring, 2 hours. I didn't do it for the whole summer, but now that I'm about to leave, I did it for 2 weeks. And so my teacher has been wonderful because we just start talking about topics, and she'll say, oh, I see that you don't have enough understanding of particles that come, nouns and stuff, and word order. It's been really cool. Oh yes, I already have. It was just coincidence. We were trying to go to church, and we got lost. And so it was early Sunday morning, so not a lot of people were out, and we went under this underground tunnel, and this other family was crossing us. The woman turned and goes, Sharon? And I looked at her and I didn't recognize her at all. And I kept looking at her, and she goes, it's me.
Your friend?
Well, it was my brother's ex-girlfriend 20 years ago. Wow. Yeah, it was really crazy. She was there with her husband and her son, and she was talking about like activities for her son, and I said, Liam should go to LTL where Ida's going. And he came and he did a week. LTL is the perfect balance of customized instruction, as well as introducing the kids to Korean culture and Korean foods along with their peers.